Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So today we're up on the road and we'll get few stuff done, but it's lunchtime, so we stop and get lunch. Ital food. So JC gets him usual stew, which is bean, whole heap of bean together, cucumber, banana, plantain, wheat dumpling, and I take one beetroot. I never used to love beetroot because it still have the same taste, but no, I like it. Neither here nor there for me, just tastes normal. I love it when it's full of ginger though. Oh jeez, mercy. When I could tell me say I saw my lip they dry. Anyways, when I notice how up here so my forehead look, I just did a watch over about the clip to see if my mouth did really dry. It was. But you notice how up here so look?
I think I will give it.
Don't play with me because you know say not that. You see, because we're up on the road every day and we are walk up and down in the sun and we are good so my skin just feels so burn up. I definitely have to go get one facial before the wedding.
Maybe I already did half it, whether or not.
It feels silky or scaly.
I don't think, yes,
Scaly.
That means it's smooth.
Oh, and Jesse, do you get pumpkin juice? How is it? Nice.
You know, they say you're supposed to drink the juice now. Like, away.
You can't jump with it. But it's true. Nice.
Yo, it tastes too good.
What is it?
And I know it. Yeah.
It tastes good and it tastes like them use coconut milk. You want some of my beetroot?
I'm okay.
I'm asking you one question. When I borrow money from my partner, I give them back? Because I always do. Me, I would never I would never take money from Jason and don't give him back, because how unfair that would be. Like, you find it in your heart to give them back. That's why we never go do them things that you. We give back your money. Hey guys, so in this clip we were in Maxi department store. We went to look a white shirt for Jason and the ring boy. See, when I see them white shirt, I was so happy. I was like, yes, finally the search is over. But then I realized that them never have the size. A matter of fact, I didn't even realize. See me take it up? I was excited and I gave it to Jason, not looking at the size. It was a 3XL. You see, when I now look them shirt, them I always see them in a Jason size. No, me I look it in a Jason size, can't find it. See the look on his face? Disappointed. Guys, when me telling us say we're tired, it's not even funny. Anyways, they just put it down and walk around another store and look some socks. A specific socks. Me still not find them up to this day. I might just do it out. Well, not even me, but Jason. Yeah. But we went to another store and we got it. That's the best part. So now soon see that clip there. Alright guys, so Maxina of the smaller size. Them did play music in there, so hence we're gonna get one voiceover. And I want one small, too small. Or probably one medium for Jason and one kiddies medium for my ring boy. Or probably just take one small for him and then take it in. No, I need a kiddies medium. And then the small or medium for Jason. I probably got to take medium for Jason because the small I got fit him well, but it I got short. I don't want it to be short.
You don't
want it for tucking them pants properly.
You don't want to be short.
Alright. We see how it go. We're going to our next store. And then we went into this store and got them The name of the store is Horse Square. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. And I really love the new name here. I rather Super 11. Yeah, them used to name Super 11. But them did have Jason size and the Ring Boy size. And music did I play in that store here as well. Now, I'm not mad at it. Of course, would I want to know to hear what I have to say. Because I did a talk. And I remember say, yeah, the music. But if I wasn't a vlogger or a content creator, I would have a problem because sometimes I walk in at them store here and the music is really nice. It's just a shop and a vibe to it. Yes. But should you just go through the size them? The Ring Boy size is 12 and Jason's size in the kiddies section is 20 or 18, something like that. I think 20. I don't remember, 18 or 20 did fit Jason perfectly without it having techie in or anything like that. So yeah. The girl here did a deal with way she nice. I just never show her face. You know, you can't just walk and push the camera in everybody's face. But she was really nice and polite. Watch me, see me a vibe to the music. You see what I'm telling about? Sometimes the music will go on with itself. So she just did open it out for show way. How it look. And the material feel good. It feels exactly like the one over Maxi. I never compare the prices though. If you guys see them in there, in the price on this one, you can compare it. But I didn't remember to do that. Anyways, I got them and I was so happy. Oh, see that too much, too something. I can't even see. So we got everything. Thank God. So see it there. Wait, yeah, another way. Yeah. So I get Jason's shirt. I get the shirt for my Ring Boy. And I feel good. Plus we take up some extra little knickknacks like deodorant and stuff like that. Alright. So soon come back. Good morning. I can explain. Them they're right up there, so behind the white bag. Anyways, it's 2 days after the last clip. So I'm telling you what happened. Everything? The paper bag. So, you know, the day when I went on the road, after I get the stuff them, I just got the market. The paper bag at the back. The yellow one. Yeah, sorry. Somebody got the market and then rain did start falling. Me feel hot and sticky. And me just want to come home. So when I came home, wash off the stuff, then put them in the fridge. And then Mrs. said the fridge didn't want clean. I clean the fridge and then till one work just lead to another basically. I say, you know what? Let me just clean up the house. I'm gonna rest the camera a little bit and clean the house. So I did that and now I'm back. I know I'm not look on the stuff. Well, let me not tell any lie. I look on one of them. Jason said I made, but I had to look at the cake jar to see if it did come out properly, and no, it did not. So I'm disappointed with that. I'm gonna bring it back so them can print it over, them resize it a little bit, and also them ink did a run out of the printer and it obvious on the thing. Hi.
I'm finally find my belt.
You didn't look at your belt?
Oh, Lord.
I knew where it was.
You see? Woman,
You should have asked me.
There, yeah? I'm more like you put it there.
Yes, I did.
Babe, take out my belt.
Because you have them in your pants and make do your laundry.
So you dash them on the bed then and me take up it?
No, I put them where they forgot because why am I going to put it on the bed? And I'm ready to keep on.
You put it on this, huh? And then you put 15 bag over it and I can't see nothing.
Me hang it up. And the day when I hang it up, I hang up other things. Days after.
That's how I could have found it.
But you should ask me. Well, you know what? No, you should look for it. Sorry. I feel like I just feel the women them. No, you should look for it. You should have asked me.
Ah, so what me just do? Look for it.
Good.
Alright, anytime you can find something for yourself, you should look. Yeah, but I see you keep up every time I talk to you with sense, you know. Like, me know yes now, you know. I'm going to think you out, me right now, you want something to eat.
Yes. So guys, we'll come back. We need just to clean up the house and straighten up and whatever. Me take this off of Jason. Normally, me used to hear Jason say when things out of place, him can't focus on him creative juices, them the flow. I guess I am in the big league now.
Bro, don't even use don't even use no.
Guys, me can't focus when my creative juices not flow when the house out of place. Like the house of
explain house out of place to the camera.
Before me explain that, me tell you something. what I consider to be dirty, Jason don't consider to be dirty.
Put one timestamp in the comments when they skip go to the actual part to answer the question because what you have to say to me, me need even listen.
Babe, the place dusty.
Place
Guys,
out
we
of-
can't see dust.
Place out of place. One shoes lace under the bed, which we really couldn't find.
Let me be very honest on camera. He'll help me, but not like how I want it to be done. No,
so it's how you
I
want
don't correct him. Because the other day, I begged Jesse to put the clothes on the line and I did have to run come back into the house because why one shirt there beside one pants and one pants there beside one socks? I don't do it like that. I do yellow, orange,
let me explain this.
green.
Let me explain this
Yes.
to you for the last God Almighty time. Andrew. Barbara.
Jason, yes.
Yo, easy. Andrew. If you, and this is what me I try to understand. I'm trying to understand my part. I'm trying to understand a woman. I'm a man. You're a woman. If you say, Jason, hang out these clothes for me, what does that mean?
Hang them out to the best of your ability.
Jason, if me say, babe, put my camera in the car, what does that mean?
Put it in the car, what in the glove compartment?
No. If I say, babe, put the camera in the car, what does that mean?
Okay, you have a point.
No, I'm not finished.
Okay, go on.
What does that mean?
Put it in the car, babe.
No. I just fix that energy there. No.
Okay, babe, you're going to put it in
Come
the
in
car.
that camera, let them see you.
You're going to put it in the car.
Alright, so babe say, but babe, hang out these clothes for me. I hang out the clothes. Full stop.
Grateful.
I hang out the clothes. I carry the bath, I put clothespin on the clothes and I hang them. Now, if you have a method that works for you, nothing is wrong with that. But I don't see any sense furthermore for you to tell me to hang out the clothes and you come out and switch up the clothes which I just hung out. That is double work and you're saying what I did was useless. If you do that the next time you ask me, I won't. I have to argue and me not go do it. Because you know so the toll born the same month if we use that month thing there. And if me say no, it have to be no. If you want me hang up the clothes, say babe hang up the clothes. If you want to fix it your way, fix it your way. Don't ask me if you do it. Don't do that. Babe, you think me what?
Boopsie.
I was not foolish, come on.
Alright, you have a point.
I have
But
many
babe,
points.
one last me trouble about no when you do it.
Where you run coming at the house for, babe?
Because I couldn't do it. And I couldn't bear to see it.
So, you remember what you just said a few minutes ago?
What me say?
Why you run back in at the house, babe?
Because I couldn't do it and I couldn't bear to watch it.
Why you could be here for watching?
Because that never do good. Alright, it never do how I wanted it to be done. And I'm learning, babe. I'm learning that it's not how I want it to get done all the time. But may I try grow your right way. Guys,
This me have to go show.
this I gotta continue. But you know what? But be honest, babe. Don't me allow you to do it how you can do it though.
After many years of complaining.
At least it stop.
Yeah, it's slow
Get me
down.
for pat me on my
No,
shoulder.
it's slow down. Slow down and stop are two different things. That is you don't want to admit it face.
Alright, baby, I have a point. I have a
But I'm
point.
not wrong still. Look, if listen, you can use to your defense that you have a way when it hang out, it maximizes the line. I think that's where you're trying to go, right? Like if you hang them on a certain way, it dry fast and you can get more clothes on the line, right?
Also, I'm glad I mentioned how you hang them in and make them dry fast.
I just said that.
Yeah, but really actually, I want them to be organized.
Oh, it's the organization that have a
And to
problem.
dry them properly. And you know, flush out the clothes them so them are going to dry, crush up.
Okay, I understand that.
Yeah.
But after all of that and the organizing part, get somebody else to do it. When I do it.
Get somebody else?
Get somebody else to do it.
Just do it how you can, because you know what? I'm grateful for the help and me not complain. Thank you, because we really be a good team from the other day. The other day, me want just to come for the basket, hang it out.
From the other day, bro,
But
me
clean.
I watch me I take out clothes out the front.
Choice of words.
No.
Choice of words. Sorry.
This our the main part of arguments from like 5 or 6. The choice of words are wicked.
Sorry.
Me I'm gonna close it from babe. Me hang out close with you.
Choice of words,
From the
I admit
first
it.
time we moved
I'm
gone away.
sorry. I'm sorry, I tried.
Listen what you just said a little while. You want to repeat what you just said?
Alright, guys.
Jesus.
I'm grateful because me and just always be a good team.
No deviation about you.
Always be, me just say always. Yes, you now commend me. Me say always.
No man, no want some vitamin.
Guys, we always do a good job with helping each other, right?
Yeah.
It's just that I'm grateful enough. I don't want to feel like I'm not grateful. But you know, a woman just have a little thing where them love for, ting. Yeah. But I'm grateful, babe. Thank you so much.
You said it all. You said enough.
Guys, we are back. And we're gonna get our reaction to them stuff here. As I say, the cake tags not print properly. So we're gonna have some cake jars. And let me tell you what Nicole design on it. And I me come up with this, guys. I went on the internet and search. So really people what they call this slogan. What's a slogan? I know what a slogan. I learned that. I know what is a slogan. Sorry guys. Anyways, I see that little saying here on the internet and you see it? Printer problem. It says life is sweet, here's a treat. Some heart with the same theme, the same flowers. With upon the cake, not the cake. Yeah, the same flowers with upon the cake and the same flowers that is on the table label. So the one here, when me tell you something, never get here, the Mr. and Mrs. I might OD a little bit. And then we are the program. Oh my God! Nicole ate with these. Guys, me tell her everything what I did have in my mind and she just bring it to life. Ooh! You know, say me give her them here for right on the back. Color, what the word here? Colossians. I can't never pronounce it. Colossians. 3 verse 14. And over all the virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. And they say, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our beloved guests who have joined us on this joyous occasion. Your presence here today fills our heart with happiness, and adds to the beauty of our celebration. Thank you for sharing in our love and making this day truly unforgettable. Aww. So we're going to check them out now. Smell though. It have a little smell. Like, no, the paper smell, because I love smell paper.
Feel good now, honest.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So this is how it look when you open out. And then this is how it looks inside. And now I feel like...
Yes,
I just I joke.
So me I sign up for?
Man, that was a joke. That was a joke. You know that. Anyways, yeah, so this is it.
Well, we can't find the car key.
Either in there, so I'm glad how everything just full off on the paper. Now look a bar and I did have to cut off, and yeah, it's really nice. So you know, see me use the same flowers all throughout the thing, and it's Andrew and Jason. Yeah, them really nice. Alright guys, so that's that. I gotta go up on the road now. I have Taylor for go, and I don't know what else we're gonna do after that, but I want to get that out of the way. Woo! I just feel so sad. Because my favorite cousin I'm gonna get to come. It's making me sad. But you know, there you go. Sometimes no matter about it, I'm gonna feel mushy. So I'm gonna have some good news. The new token them there. We should have been more excited than this, but guys, I'm so tired. Anyways, them reach similar to the first one, but different. But it's similar, same vibe. It's a candle holder. I'm already pull it under the smell test. Smells good. Now the scent. This is it. Wait, this is it. Which one do I prefer, the first one or this one? I love this one. This one is cute. I think I love this one more. So you see, I get the fake flowers on it. The next one did a real flowers, and that did mess it up. Yeah. So it's to label them, and that's it, and put them in the bag. That's the update that I want to give you guys before I close off the vlog here. So got them. Everything is intact. Smells good. Everything is good. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks to you trod the journey. Watch out. Thanks to you trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.